Welcome to Town and Country Conservatories, where you can transform your home and the way you enjoy it. This beautiful project is an orangery style of conservatory, characterized by solid portions of roof area with glass roof lanterns. Orangeries create a sense of enclosure by reducing direct sunlight while still having a dramatic natural illumination. Optional folding glass doors provide an open transition to the outdoors, while full-height glass walls allow light to flood the space and provide inviting views of the landscape. Roof lanterns can be arranged in any configuration, and soffits can be used for air conditioning outlets and to provide accent lighting. There are so many ways to use a conservatory: an inviting breakfast or dining room off the kitchen, a family space, or your special haven after a long day. The intimate connection to the outdoors is exceptionally inviting. Watch it rain without getting wet. Feel the warmth of the sun on a cold winter day. Enjoy a winter snowfall or the blooming colours of early spring. The space will transform your home and your life within it. An improvement to your home should be an improvement to your life. Our beautiful glass conservatories, garden houses and pool enclosures allow you to create a space where you can enjoy the beauty of nature all year round, a haven from the demands of everyday life. Transform your home by taking the first step toward adding lasting value and enjoyment. Call us to talk about a design.